Marhaban everyone, Shakibarikum Zain and Zain Alhamdulillah. Guys, welcome to today's video. We say in Arabic, Marhaban bikum fi video al-yom hina ala YouTube. I'll repeat that. Marhaban bikum fi video al-yom hina ala YouTube. So basically I'm saying welcome everyone to today's video here on my YouTube channel. Don't worry, we are getting there. We are getting there. I'm super excited. Before we start today's episode, I just wanted to let you know this is recorded live. I'm trying to do more of live videos, at least, to change a little bit, and see how it goes. Okay. So if you're joining me, thank you so much. Welcome. Let's interact together and learn Arabic language. So far, everything is really good. Like I am able to communicate sometimes while at work. I can communicate with people, and sometimes if some people are talking, I can understand what they are saying. So I always make sure like at least I get one or two things and how they pronounce or how they yeah, let's say the pronunciation, because sometimes I can read a word but it can be really difficult to pronounce it in Arabic, like yeah. So in today's video, we are going to talk about some few topics. These are just revisions, and I have my laptop here with me. So you might be wondering, why am I facing down an app? It's because I am trying to see if there is anything I am missing out. Okay. So today we are going to learn or revise with me simple greetings. We have introduction, introducing yourself. We did that in my previous videos. Essential phrases, for example, like welcome, thank you, please. Okay, those are everyday phrases that you can hear in the streets. Okay, and then simple questions like where are you, what are you doing, and then everyday objects like, for example, house, keys, book, and then probably maybe ordering food or shopping. Okay, so today in my introduction I already started with introduction or greetings. So if you want to say hello in Emirati Arabic or any Arabic, I would say you say marhaba, marhaba. So you will respond marhaba, so just like that. Or another word you can use is salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. This is very common, especially here in the Middle East. You can respond wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. Or you can say alhamdulillah zain. Alhamdulillah zain. So if you want to say how are you, you want to say kefahalik. Kefahalik. Or you are greeting a group of people, you will say kefalkum. Kefalkum. And to respond that, you say Ana Zain. Ana Zain. Alhamdulillah. I am okay. You just say Ana Timam. Ana okay. You can just use Arabizi, because Arabizi is a mixture of English and Arabic. So Ana okay. So if you're talking to someone, they will understand that you're saying you are okay. Say Alhamdulillah Ana Zain, Alhamdulillah Ana Timam, or Alhamdulillah Ana okay. So those are many responses. It doesn't have to be only one single response, but if you can be able to master one, that will be okay. But it's good to master several ways to respond to greetings. Okay. And then another one, you can thank you very much. Like for example, you say thank you very much. Thank you is a shukran, shukran. So if you want to say very much, you can say shukran jazilan, shukran jazilan. Okay, and then if you say you are welcome, you just say afwan, afwan. Another one you can say is ahlan wa sahlan, ahlan wa sahlan. If that is difficult, don't worry, just say afwan, afwan. Okay, and then if you want to say see you later, see you later. Ashufak Badin. Ashufak Badin. Shuf is see. So Ashufak Badin. If you are talking to a group of people, you say Ashufkom Badin. Ashufkom Badin. So if you want to say I will see you later. That is, you're talking about a future. Bashufkom baden. Bashufkom baden. Okay? Or you can say Bashufak baden. Bashufak baden. Okay? And then I think basically those are greetings like picked commonly used greetings in Emirati Arabic. So around that line, if you play around these words, you can be able to understand or to talk about greetings in Emirati Arabic. Okay. So basically that is a summary of greetings, and that is it about greetings. Marhaban, shakbarikum, kifahalik, uh, Anna Zain, Anna Timam, you know. So you just play around those words and you will be able to speak or to understand Arabic. So far for me, I've already mastered these greetings. So anyone who says marhaba, I'll know how to respond. I'll just say marhaba. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Okay, see you later. Ashufak Badin, you know, like I already understand anything to do with greetings so far. So I'm putting it here for anyone who is trying to learn Emirati Arabic or any Arabic as well, to be able to go through it and understand if you are interested, of course, yeah. So yeah, so basically that is all about greeting. So another topic of today is introducing yourself. The first one was greetings, general greetings, and then another one is introducing yourself. We did this as well. Like for example, my name is Anna Esme. Anna Esme Catherine. Anna Esme Catherine. Okay, I am from Anna mean Kenya. Anna mean Kenya. Okay, where do you work? When Ishtagal, when Ishtagal. And then what else? I work in Dubai. Ana Ashtagul fi Dubai. Ana Ashtagul fi Dubai. Where do you live? When Sakin. When Sakin. I will respond Ana Sakin fi Dubai. Ana Sakin fi Dubai. So basically, those are just introducing yourself, phrases or words that you can be able to learn here and there. And going through this book, I remember I introduced to you this book. This is 700 questions and phrases in Emirati Arabic, okay? In Emirati Arabic dialect. So I'm going to read some few questions here. Like for example, Shu Esma. Shu Esma. What is your name? What is your name? So that's when I will say Anna Esmi Catherine. Anna Esmi Catherine. If someone asks you, Shu Esmi. Anna Esmi Catherine. Okay. Another one is Minwen Enti. Minwen. Minwen. Where do you come from? Anna means Kenya. Anna means Kenya. Okay. That's as simple as that. Let's make it very, very simple. Okay. This is just a revision. As you can see, I've already, used my pen on this book, which is not right, but yeah. Okay. And then what is your job? Shoe testable. Shoe testable. We learn about questions like what, where, which, who before. If you've not checked that video, go and check on my YouTube channel. You will be able to understand. But for the sake of revision, we will be able to repeat it here. So, what is your job? Shoe testable. Shoe testable, just like that, okay? And then we mentioned when Sakin, where do you live? When Sakin, where do you live? I would say Anna Sakin fi Dubai. Anna Sakin fi Dubai. I live in Dubai, okay? Another one is how many years have you been living in the UAE? In Arabic, I'm going to read it. Kam Sara enti fil Emirat. Kam Sara enti fi el Emirat. Kam Sana enti fi el Emirat. Emirat is the UAE. Or you can say Kam sana enti fi Dubai. Kam sana enti fi Dubai. How many years are you in Dubai? Okay. All right. Then what do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? Shu teheb tashrab. Shu teheb tashrab. What do you like to drink? And then another one is, what do you like to eat? Shu teheb takil. Shu teheb takil. Teheb is heb. Hob is love. What do you like? Shu teheb. Teheb, like love, is as the same word in Arabic. Shu teheb takil. The third one is phrases, phrases that are commonly used. And we've mentioned these in my previous videos and also on the start of this video. Okay, for example, please, which is min fadlik, min fadlik. Okay, another one is thank you. We mentioned thank you, which is shukran as well. For example, if you want to say, excuse me, please. لو سمحت من فضلك لو سمحت من فضلك. Okay, and then another one you can say I don't understand. أنا ما أفهم. أنا ما أفهم. If you want to say I understand, you can say أنا أفهم. أنا أفهم. Okay, and then what is this? شو هذا? شو هذا? You know, if you ask someone, what is it? شو هذا? Okay, another one is can I? For example, can I help you? ممكن. ممكن. Can I help you please? ممكن أساعدك لو سمحت. ممكن أساعدك لو سمحت. Asadak is msaada, like almost the same as msaada in Swahili. So mumkin asadak, which is me, asadak lau samat. Okay. Another one is please help me. Saadni lau samat. Saadni lau samat. Saadni, like saidia in Swahili as well, which is very interesting. So, Saadni lau samat. Please help me. Okay. Another one which is almost related to Swahili is please forgive me or forgive me. Samaini, samahini, or samahani. Like for example, samahani, samahani. That is samahani lau samat. Okay. And then, like for example, come, which is tal, or tal if you're talking to a male, male, tali, a female. Okay, so let me look at some few examples here, like what don't forget, please. لو سمحت لا تنسى. لو سمحت لا تنسى. تنسى is forget. Okay, so لو سمحت لا تنسى. Okay, and then please turn off the AC. لو سمحت بنات مكيف. مكيف is AC. لو سمحت بنات مكيف. Close the AC. Okay, let me see if I have two more. Please turn down the volume. Please turn down the volume. لو سمحت نزل الصوت. لو سمحت نزل الصوت. الصوت is in Swahili as well, which means sound, sauti. لو سمحت نزل الصوت. Okay. What else? I think those are the things that I can be able to memorize. Okay. لو سمحت افتح الباب. لو سمحت افتح الباب. Please open the door. Okay. So as we wind up, or last but not least, questions. Okay. Like for example, where is the bathroom? When el hammam? When el hammam? Where is the restaurant? When el mataham? When el mataham? Hini. Where is the restaurant? Here. Another one is where is the hospital? When mustashfa. When el mustashfa. Another one you can say when el sadiliya. When is sadiliya hini? Where is the pharmacy? Here. Where is the market? When a souk. When a souk. Souk is a market. Okay, you can say when bakala. Where is the shop? Bakala is the shop. When bakala. When bakala hini. Okay, you can use anything that you can be able to make sentence out of it, and that is already asking question in Emirati Arabic. Last one is, for example, if you want to order something, for example, you want to order tea, aba chai, or coffee, aba gawa, aba gawa. For example, I want tea with sugar, aba chai sukar, aba chai fi sukar. I want coffee without sugar. Aba gawa bidun sukar. Aba gawa bidun sukar. For example, I want tea without milk. Aba chai bidun halib. Aba chai bidun halib. So you see, you can, if you are able to memorize some few words in Arabic, you can be able to play around and make a sentence. Okay. Aba aba شو تبغى ما أعرف شو أنت تبغى أنا أبغى شاي بدون سكر أبغى شاي بدون سكر وأنتي شو تبغين. Okay. Okay, so shopping, for example, how much is this? Become harder. Become harder. How much is this? Become duty. How much is the shoes? Become duty. Become kitab. Become kitab. Become galam. Become galam. Become hada galam. How much is this pen? Become hada kitab. How much is this a book? So yeah, basically those are the things that I was able to to memorize and be able to learn today in this video. So it's just part of revision, because sometimes it's really difficult to memorize everything, so I have to be able to come back and read and see if I'm able to memorize again or to remember. I hope you are still remembering some few things that you've learned as well before. Okay, if not, don't worry, go back to my videos and you'll be able to memorize and you'll be able to revise as well. So my beautiful people, that is it for today. By the way, this video is streamed live. Yeah, so I was trying to see if there is anything I am able to learn or to revise today with you guys, or whoever is interested to learn Emirati Arabic with me. And I felt like going live will be something different or something unique rather than just a recording. Okay, otherwise, thank you for watching up to this, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this video? Is there anything that you would like me to talk about? Is there anything that I missed out? How is my pronunciation? You can ask me any question. All right, otherwise, see you in the next one. Bashufkom el video Eliai. Ma salam.